If your phone's battery is draining fastly, then keep watching the video till the end. As you're in this video, I'm gonna share 5 tips to save your phone's battery for longer periods. So let's get started. So in the tips number 1, go to your phone settings, scroll down a little bit. Now click on display. First of all, you get to display mode, light mode and dark mode. If you want to save your phone's battery, then use your phone in dark mode because the light mode needs more power. Now tips number 2, go to your settings, scroll down a little bit. Keep scrolling down, and now at the last option click on About Phone. Now click on Software Update. By default, this option will be turned on your phone, but you need to turn it off manually like this. So go back, and now in tips number 3, go to your Play Store or App Store, and now at the top right corner click on your profile picture, and now click on Settings. Now click on the Network Preferences. Now click on Auto Update Apps. Now select the last option, Don't Auto Update Apps. So go back. And now just below this auto update apps there is another option, autoplay videos. Just click there. Now select the third option here, don't autoplay videos. And now just click on OK. Now in tips number 4, go to your WhatsApp. At the top right corner click on this 3-dot icon. Now click on settings. Scroll down a little bit. And now click on storage and data. You get 3 more options here. Just click on the first option when using mobile data. If you select these options, and if somebody sends you any photo and video on WhatsApp, they will get automatically downloaded and always saved on your phone storage, which will not only use your mobile data but also drain your phone's battery faster. So you have to untick all these boxes and now click on OK. And now tips number 5. Don't keep turning on your mobile data unnecessarily. When you aren't using your phone, turn off your mobile data because there are so many activities running in the background on your phone at the same time. So these were the 5 tips that you can apply to save your phone's battery. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel. And if you are watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now. See you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you, bye bye.